Have you ever taken a deep breath and felt like it just wasn't enough? That nagging sinus pressure, the dull ache in your ears, or the dry, scratchy throat that just won't quit. It sneaks up during your morning meetings, ruins your sleep, or steals your voice right when you need it most. I remember sitting on a plane with ears that felt like they were about to burst, breathing through my mouth because my nose was completely blocked. I wished for anything natural that could make it stop. What if there were simple, science-backed ways to ease all of that discomfort without pills, prescriptions, or expensive treatments? The good news? There are natural solutions. Many of us struggle with congestion, sore throats, or ear discomfort, but we don't always need a medicine cabinet to fix it. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 gentle biohacks that you can try from home, easy, effective, and backed by research. Let's dive into the first one that transformed my mornings. Biohack 1. Use a saline nasal rinse. Just rinse with salt water once a day. That thing's changed. Have you ever wondered why your nose feels clogged even when you're not sick? The air we breathe is filled with allergens, pollutants, and irritants that build up. When your nose can't clear them fast enough, inflammation sets in. If you constantly deal with nasal stuffiness or sinus headaches, it might be time to rethink your daily hygiene routine, not just for your body, but for your nose too. Imagine waking up each morning with clear, easy breathing, no more sinus pressure or heaviness in your head. That's the power of a saline nasal rinse. Your nose acts like a filter, trapping dust, pollen, and germs, but sometimes it needs a little extra help. Saline rinses gently flush out irritants and improve breathing. In fact, a review in the Cochrane database confirms that regular saltwater rinses significantly ease sinus symptoms naturally. Try it once, and your nose will thank you. Now let's take that relief deeper with warm, healing steam. Biohack 2. Inhale steam with essential oils. I remember feeling like my entire head was stuffed with cotton before a big presentation. I filled a bowl with hot water, threw in some eucalyptus drops, and covered my head with a towel. Within minutes, I felt my sinuses open like magic. That simple trick saved my day, and I still use it when I feel a cold coming on. When your nose is blocked or your throat is tight, steam inhalation can be your best friend. It's like a mini sauna for your ENT system. Warm, moist air loosens mucus, soothes swollen tissues, and opens airways. Add a few drops of eucalyptus or menthol essential oils, and it becomes a therapeutic experience. According to the Journal of Aerosol Medicine, steam inhalation helps thin mucus and reduce nasal resistance, making it easier to breathe deeply again. It's fast, affordable, and can feel like a spa treatment at home. Now let's go from external relief to something cozy and internal. Biohack 3. Sip warm honey lemon tea. Late one winter night, I had a sore throat that wouldn't let me sleep. I remembered my grandmother's remedy: hot water, a squeeze of lemon, and a spoonful of honey. I curled up on the couch with it, and in just 10 minutes I felt soothed from the inside out. Sometimes the most powerful remedies are also the most comforting. A warm drink can be both healing and grounding. Honey has natural, soothing, and antimicrobial properties, while lemon delivers vitamin C and acts as a mild astringent. Together they work like a throat balm. Studies published in Pediatrics even found that honey is more effective than OTC cough medicine for reducing nighttime coughing in children. So next time your voice goes hoarse or your throat stings, brew a cup of this golden remedy and sip it slowly. Ready to build your internal defenses even more? The next hack goes straight to the source. Biohack 4. Try probiotics for throat and ear health. I used to think probiotics were just about digestion, until I noticed that after taking them regularly, I stopped getting seasonal throat infections and those random earaches. I dug into the research and the connection blew my mind. Your gut is more than a digestion station. It's your immune command center, and it directly influences the health of your ears and throat. Probiotics, the beneficial bacteria in your gut, help modulate your immune response, reduce inflammation, and lower your chances of ENT infections. Specific strains have been shown in studies to reduce throat and middle ear infections, especially in kids. Whether through fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, or a daily supplement, feeding your gut the right microbes can help your ENT system thrive. Now that your immune system is on your side, let's talk about tension, hidden in a place you might not expect. Biohack 5. Practice gentle neck and jaw stretching. Have you ever noticed how tension tends to settle in your jaw or neck by the end of the day? It's not just stress. The way we sit, breathe, and even think can contribute to silent muscle tension in these areas. Our digital lifestyles, marked by long hours at desks or looking down at phones, create postural imbalances that put strain on the neck and jaw. This built-up tension doesn't just stay local, it has ripple effects throughout the ENT system. You're just holding too much tension in your jaw. A few simple stretches and the results were almost immediate. The neck, jaw, and upper shoulders are directly connected to the ear and throat region. When these areas are tight, due to stress, screen time, or posture, it can cause symptoms like ear fullness, jaw clicking, or trouble swallowing. This isn't just anecdotal. Research in physiotherapy and orofacial therapy shows that gentle, sustained stretching can help reset muscular patterns, release pressure on nearby lymph vessels, and promote better circulation to the head and neck area. Gentle, daily stretches can release this tension, support lymph drainage, and enhance blood flow to your ENT system. Physiotherapy studies even show improvement in jaw-related throat and ear discomfort. 5 mindful minutes a day can restore calm and balance. Now let's quickly review all 5 of these natural, effective strategies. From rinsing your sinuses with salt water to stretching your jaw and sipping warm tea, these biohacks are small steps with big results. In an age where over-the-counter solutions often mask symptoms without addressing root causes, these gentle interventions offer something different. True foundational support for your ENT health. They're simple enough to fit into your daily routine, yet powerful enough to shift how your body functions and feels. They're science-backed, drug-free, and completely doable at home. Each strategy honors your body's natural healing mechanisms, whether it's stimulating lymph flow, reducing inflammation, or enhancing circulation. And the best part? You don't need prescriptions or equipment, just intention, consistency, and a few mindful minutes a day.